doctor wants to give me more injections. Yeah. Giving me shots for 1,000 rare infections. And I don't know if he'll let me go. I just can't make no connection. Oh no. All I wanna do is get back to you. My bags and they get a very close inspection. Yeah. I wonder why it is they suspect them. Trying to add me to their collection. And I don't know if they'll let me go. Oh no. And I can't